Alright, so I'm going to now show you how to do a YouTube live stream just using a computer, whether it's a PC or Mac, and a webcam. So the first thing is you're going to log into YouTube into your account, and you're going to click on your icon, top right hand corner, and I'm going to my Creator Studio. And once it loads, I'm going to show the newer version, the beta version of it. It works the same, but just so you can see both options. Alright, so once I'm here, I'm going to look under other features, and I have live streaming. When I go to live streaming, it is going to open my options, and on the left hand side I'm going to click camera. It's going to load the interface. It looks similar to the iPad, but I'm going to give it a title. And I could choose unlisted or public. I'm going to go with public again. Under more options, you can confirm that you have your webcam running if you have a separate microphone plugged in. And under advanced settings, you can allow the chat or disable it and put age restrictions on it if need be. But I'm then going to hit the next button. I can create a thumbnail. And once I have it and it looks good, I'm going to go to my Go Live button, and it's going to give me the heads up, and I can see that I am live. I am streaming. Okay, it tells me I'm live, the time, how many people are viewing, and if I got any thumbs up. The other thing it does is I can mute my microphone here to the stream. I can share it if I wanted to tweet it right away. But the other thing I want to show you is if I go back to my Creator Studio, and I go to other features, I go back to my live streaming part of the dashboard. The other great thing is I can see that I'm running. There's my PC demo. It is live, it is streaming. Again, I'm going to go to my main stream page, and I can go to this share, and this is a static permanent web address that I can use, and this is great for posting on your website, so that if I give to my viewers, they should be able to see the live stream no matter what. Okay? The live stream no matter what. Alright. So I'm going to pause that to cancel any echo and reverb. So again, this is how to live stream on your computer using a webcam, and hope you found it helpful. And if you have any questions, any requests, just let me know. Thanks again.